That's a easy topic for you. And so be careful about your webcams. Taran beta, turn on your webcam, otherwise you will be out. Okay. Every day I am not going to listen any excuse. Okay, guys, come to the point. So we'll go for a new topic, that is adjustment of the capital. So we go for that. Now, thanks, everyone's webcam is on. So let's move ahead. So today our topic is adjustment of capital. The adjustment of the capital, we have to fix the capital, or we have to adjust the capital according to the new partner's capital. On the basis of new partner's capital, so adjustment of the old partner's capital account on the basis of new partner's कैपिटल अकाउंट, जो नया पार्टनर कैपिटल लेके आएगा उसके बेसिस पे आप क्या करेंगे बेटा, न्यू पार्टनर्स की कैपिटल एडजस्ट करेंगे. ओके.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर.
गुड आफ्टरनून बेटी. So guys, that's a one, it's a very easy, just try to understand it. For example, न्यू पार्टनर एडमिट हुआ है 1/5 शेयर के लिए. द न्यू पार्टनर इज एडमिटेड फॉर 1/5 शेयर. Okay, so what you will do with that? The C is the new partner, he is admitted for 1/5 share. and he will bring 50,000 as a capital. वो bring उसमें 60,000 rupees वो capital लेके 50,000 rupees capital लेके आया और he has admitted for 1/5 share. On the basis of this capital, we have to determine the capital of all partners. The capital of all partners. So, what is the method to do with that? The same method will apply, which we have did into the hidden goodwill. What we have to do? We have to find out the total capital on the basis of that. The total capital will be 50,000 multiplied by reciprocal of his share. Reciprocal of his share. Okay. So 50,000 multiplied by 5/1. That will be the 2,50,000 will be the total capital of the firm or total capital of the all partner including the new partner. A, B and C's capital is 2,50,000. That 2,50,000 should be divided and must be divided into the new profit sharing ratio. And you know that how to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. You are aware about that. So many questions you have calculated on the basis of that. Here I have calculated the new profit sharing ratio. That's 2:2:1, and that capital we have to divide it into the new profit sharing ratio. So that will be 2/5, 2/5, and 1/5. I have divided that one 2/5, 2/5, and 1/5. So we got 1 lakh, 1 lakh, and 50,000. So this capital should be transferred into the debit side of your partner's capital account under the head to balance CD. That will be 1 lakh, 1 lakh and 50,000, which we have already calculated. We have transferred this one, and this will be your old by balance BDs. You will write the same thing. Okay, so this is the thing. So come to the page number 5.65, illustration number 56. That illustration came into the CBSE CBSE exam in 2019. That's why it's very important for you. So page number 5.65, question number 56, 2019. That will be 2019. Okay, guys. So an adjustment of the capital is to be made by cash. The first line. Sanjana and Alok were the partner in a firm sharing profit and the losses in the ratio of 3:2. इनके profit sharing ratios हैं बेटा 3:2. On 1st March 2018, their balance sheet was as follows. The creditor 60,000, workman compensation fund 60,000, capital 5 lakh and 4 lakh. Come to the asset side. You have cash 1,66,000, debtors 1,46,000, provisions 2 lakh rupees, stock 1,50,000, investment 2,60,000, furniture is 3 lakh rupees. On the 1st April 2018, they admitted Nidhi as a new partner for 1/4 share in a profit and following terms. Yes, Gurdeep.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Can you read the point number 1?
Yes, sir. Goodwill of the firm was valued at 4 lakhs and Nidhi brought the necessary amount in cash for her share of goodwill premium, half of which was withdrawn by the old partners.
Thank you. God bless you, my son. So, Mannat, should I ask you?
Yes, sir.
Beta, what do you mean by the point number 1?
Sir, I'm not having book.
Huh?
Sir, I'm not having book.
You don't have the book?
So no.
Okay. So, what are you doing right now? Beta, you are not listening the question? Okay, Vaishali, can you answer me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, the goodwill of the firm was 4 lakh rupees and the Nidhi bought the.
Wait. The goodwill of the firm, she said, is 4 lakh rupees. अब goodwill firm की है. अब हमें किसकी goodwill निकालनी है? हमें new partner की goodwill निकालनी है. So कैसे निकाल लेंगे new partner की goodwill? 4 lakh multiplied by his share, new partner share. That is 1 by 4. So 4 lakh multiplied by 1 by 4, that will be the 1 lakh. Am I right, Isha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
So second point,
Yeah.
stock was to be increased by 20%. Furniture was to be reduced to 90%.
So stock is increased. What does mean?
Sir, stock is appreciated, so we have to put 20% on 1,50,000.
Yeah, in which side you will write into the revaluation account?
Sir, credit.
Credit side, because we have to write into the profit side. Okay. And
Yes.
and furniture was to be reduced by 90%. Pranshu, what it does mean?
So we have to depreciate the furniture by 90%,
Okay, so
which is 3 lakh.
okay, so that's a loss of profit. Your depreciation is loss of profit. Diksha, can you answer me?
Sir, loss.
Why it's loss? कल भी मैंने आपसे पूछा था. Who will tell me, guys? Raise your hand. Why it's loss? Okay, I'll go to the Vaishali. Yeah, Vaishali, unmute yourself, beta.
Sir, it's an asset, and when the value of asset decreases, it's a loss for it.
That's good. That's the right answer. When the value of the assets decreases, that's a loss. I hope I have cleared your point. Next point, who will tell me? So for the next point, I'm going to ask the Sneha. Yes, Sneha.
Investment were to be valued at 3 lakh, allowed to go with investments at its value.
What it does mean? Mannat, Vishwajit, Arshpreet, beta, turn on webcam, otherwise I'll put you outside.
So 3 lakh में से 2,60,000 minus कर दिया and वो revaluation account में आ जाना.
Yes. So in this point, anyone have any doubt? Okay, so go for the next point. That will be, thank you, Sneha. God bless you, Betty. So next point, I'll go to the, who will explain me the next point? Raise your hand. Who will explain me the next point? Anyone can raise the hand, beta. कोई भी हाथ उठा सकता है. I know that कि everyone can explain me this fourth point. किसी को नहीं हाथ उठाना है. Just go through this point and okay, who is going to be explain me? Just raise your hand, beta. Kritika, can you answer me? Are you listening me, Kritika?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, beta, can you explain me the point number 4?
सर निधि कैपिटल 3 लाख है, उसको संजना और आलोक के रेशियो में हम उसको डिवाइड करके रिवैल्यूएशन के डेबिट साइड.
एक बेटा चीज तू भूल गई, एक वर्ड भूल गई, दैट इज न्यू. आप कौन सा वर्ड भूल गई बेटा? न्यू.
यस, न्यू.
शेयरिंग रेशियोज में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है. किसमें डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है? न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. हाँ बेटा, ये वर्ड मत भूलो. अगर ये वर्ड भूल जाओगे तो हम सब बर्बाद हो जाएंगे बेटा. पूरा चैप्टर क्वेश्चन जो है 8 मार्क्स का बिल्कुल 0 हो जाएगा. ठीक है? तो इसको नहीं भूलिए बच्चे. अब आप सबको बेटा रिवॉल्यूशन बनाना आता है. आप मुझे जल्दी से रिवॉल्यूशन अकाउंट बना के व्हाट्सएप करें. कर सकते हैं आप, रिवॉल्यूशन बना सकते हैं. और जो नहीं बना सकता है, रेज योर हैंड, आई विल हेल्प हिम. जल्दी से बेटा करो. जो आपको समझ में नहीं आए मेरे बच्चे, मुझे बताओ, फिर मैं आपकी हेल्प करूंगा. मैं आपको सिर्फ इसके लिए 2 मिनट देता हूं. जल्दी से डू इट फास्ट. Mannat, can I send you the pic of the question?
Yes, sir.
बेटा आपके पास बुक नहीं तो फिर आप कैसे करते हो क्लास में बेटा? मुझे बताओगे आप? Mannat, send me hi on my WhatsApp. Pranshu, your answer is right, beta. Jashan, I am waiting for your answer, Betty. Thank you, Gurdeep. Thank you, Sneha. Thank you, Vaishali. Mannat, I am waiting for your answer. I am waiting for your reply. Mannat, do you have my phone number? Do you have my WhatsApp number? Thank you.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा.
Yes, sir.
If you need a question, so you can send me the any bit message so I can help you. I can send you. Okay. वरना मुझे ढूंढने में बहुत परेशानी होती है. number. So many messages are there. Thank you, Arsh. So guys, we'll go for. Thank you, Kritika. After that, revaluation account, what we have to do, we have to make the partner's capital account. If anybody needs the revaluation account, so just raise your hand, I'll make it for him. Just raise your hand, so I will make for him if anybody needs that. Revaluation account, debit and credit. This is loss and this is profit side. To furniture 30,000. फर्नीचर की वैल्यू 30,000 डिक्रीज हुई है बेटा, क्योंकि हमने उसका डेप्रिसिएशन लगाया. फर्नीचर हमारा 3 लाख रुपीस का था और हमने उसकी 90% वैल्यू ली है, 10% यानी डेप्रिसिएशन लगाया है, तो 3 लाख मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 upon 100, that will be 30,000. Another one is stock. स्टॉक हमारा एप्रिशिएटेड हुआ है 20% से, तो स्टॉक एप्रिशिएट हुआ है तो बाई में जाएगा प्रॉफिट साइड में. 20% हमने स्टॉक का निकाला, स्टॉक का 1,50,000 और 20% निकाला तो आपका आया 30,000. 1,50,000 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 20 upon 100, that will be 30,000. इन्वेस्टमेंट हमारा 40,000, बैलेंस शीट में 2,60,000 दिया, एडजस्टमेंट में 3 लाख है, that will be the 40,000, that will be 70,000, 70,000, and profit will be 40,000 divided into the old ratios, that will be 40,000 multiplied by old ratio is 3/5, and Alok is 40,000 2/5, that will be 24 and 16. Jashan, that's a clear to you beta? Jashan, ask me your doubt.
Sir, clear.
Okay, so after that we have to calculate the new ratios, क्योंकि हमें गुड कैपिटल किस में डिवाइड करनी है, न्यू रेशियोज में. तो कैलकुलेशन ऑफ द न्यू रेशियोज, कैलकुलेशन फॉर न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. So let's suppose total ratio is equal to 1. So remaining ratio is equal to 1 minus 1/4, that will be 3/4. And this 3/4 multiplied by S share, Sanjana's share. Sanjana's new ratio will be 3/5 multiplied by 3/4, that will be 9/20. Same as Alok share will be 2/5 multiplied by 3/4, that will be 6/20. Nidhi's share will be 1/4, सबके लैक्स 20 है, इसके भी लैक्स 20 करने के लिए 5 से हमने ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई करी, 5 से नीचे मल्टीप्लाई करी, 5/20। न्यू रेशियोज आपके कैलकुलेट हो गए 9, 6 and 5, 965। अब इस 965 में आपकी बेटा टोटल कैपिटल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगी। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द टोटल कैपिटल। Calculation for new partners capital. Total capital of the firm, that will be 3 lakh multiplied by 4/1, that will be 12 lakh. Step number 1, total capital of the firm। अब इस टोटल कैपिटल ऑफ द फर्म को न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो में डिवाइड कर दीजिए। संजना's share 12 lakh multiplied by 9/20, that will be 54। Alok share 12 lakh multiplied by 6/20, that will be 36। और निधि अपनी कैपिटल लेके आई हुई है 3 लाख रुपीस की। तो बेटा ये न्यू कैपिटल्स आ गई सबकी। अब हमारे पास एक चीज और कैलकुलेट करनी है, गुडविल। कैलकुलेशन फॉर गुडविल। फर्म की गुडविल है, निधि शेयर ऑफ गुडविल निकाल लेते हैं। फर्म की गुडविल दी हुई है, निधि शेयर ऑफ गुडविल, फर्म की गुडविल है 4 लाख रुपीस multiplied by 1/4, that will be the 1 lakh will be the goodwill for निधि। निधि की गुडविल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दो ओल्ड रेशियोज में, सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो गिवन नहीं है। एस शेयर विल बी 1 lakh multiplied by 3/5, that will be the 60,000। Alok share will be the 1 lakh, share of उसका 2/5, that will be the 40,000। Okay, so I hope you will understand this। अब हम बना इसमें बेटा किसी को डाउट हो तो you can ask me। Anyone have the doubt? Anyone have the doubt? Yes, ask me if you have a doubt। Okay guys, we'll make the partners capital account। संजना, आलोक and निधि, संजना, आलोक and निधि PCA। By balance BD is given in your question, that is 5 lakh and 4 lakh। 5 lakh, 4 lakh। Okay, by cash संजना कैपिटल लेके आइए बेटा 3 लाख रुपीस की। प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल हमने कैलकुलेट कर ही लिया था। प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल था हमारा 60,000 and 40,000। Another one is workman compensation fund। गवर्नमेंट कंपनसेशन फंड है हमारा 60,000 का 3:5 में डिवाइड किया 36,000 and 24,000. Another one is profit on revaluation. That will be 24,000 and 16,000 we have already calculated. Half of the goodwill is withdrawn, so to cash goodwill withdraw हुई है 60,000 का हाफ हो जाएगा 30,000 और 20,000 का हाफ हो जाएगा 40,000 का हाफ हो जाएगा 20,000. इन्वेस्टमेंट टेक ओवर किए हैं हमारे आलोक ने 3 लाख रुपीस को. कैपिटल्स हमने कैलकुलेट करी थी सीडी कितनी कैलकुलेट करी थी 5,40,000 3,60,000 and 30,000 3 lakh 5,40,000 3,60,000 3 lakh. अब हम टोटल लगाते हैं जो भी डिफरेंस होगा क्योंकि एडजस्टमेंट किससे करना है कैश से, तो जो भी डिफरेंस होगा हम कैश में ट्रांसफर कर देंगे. बैलेंसिंग फिगर हमें किस में ट्रांसफर करनी है कैश में, दैट विल बी योर बैलेंसिंग फिगर, दैट विल बी योर बैलेंसिंग फिगर. सो इसका टोटल लगाया तो आया आपका 6,20,000. So बड़ा टोटल दोनों साइड लिख दिए 6,20,000. Another one is 6,80,000. 3 plus 3 6 3,80,000. 6,80,000 and this will be the 3 lakh. 6,80,000 and 3 lakh. अब देखो बेटा इसमें क्रेडिट साइड का कॉलम आपका बड़ा है, इन दोनों को प्लस करके 6,20,000 में माइनस किया तो हमारा आया प्रॉफिट 50,000. दैट 50,000 will be transferred into the cash account. Here ये छोटा अमाउंट है ये बड़ा अमाउंट है तो यहाँ पे आपका है 2 लाख रुपीस, तो हमने 2 लाख रुपीस यहाँ पे ट्रांसफर कर. अब बेटा मुझसे दोबारा पूछो जिसको डाउट्स हो 1 by 1 आस्क मी, just 1 by 1 you can ask me. One by one you can ask me beta. Priyanshi, that's good. Sukhman Preet, that's good. Just finish this one and send to me along with the balance sheet. Balance sheet के साथ इसको भेजो बेटा जल्दी से, ठीक है. और आपको जो भी डाउट है प्रियांशी your answer is right. Whatever the doubts do you have, just WhatsApp me. I'll answer it. जल्दी से भेजो जो भी डाउट्स हो बेटा. A balance sheet, you know how to make the balance sheet. Just finish your balance sheet and send to me. I'm waiting for your reply. Can you do that for me? Thank you, Sneha. Let me check your answer. Beta, your answer is right, Sneha. God bless you, Betty. Betty, do the question number 57. Do the question number 57, Arya Betty. Thank you, Gurdeep. Thank you, Vaishali. Guys, I'm waiting for your answer. Okay, guys. So I haven't got any answer. I'm waiting for your answer. Can you send me better? I'm waiting for your answer.